American 3161, runway 27 line up and wait, traffic lands 33 left.
27 line up and wait, American 3161. Boston Delta 2351, Nimoy for 33 left.
Delta 2351 Boston Tower, runway 33 left, clear to land, traffic holds runway 27.
33 left, clear Delta 2351.
American 3161, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, American 3161.
Delta 2351 going around because of American.
American 3161, where are you going?
You cleared us for takeoff, 3161.
Delta 2351, turn right heading 360, maintain 3000.
Right turn, hey 360, maintain 3000, Delta 2351.
American 3161, contact Boston departure.
Where's switch, American 3161? Departure, American 3161, 1500, climbing 5000.
American 3161, Boston departure, radar contact.
Delta 2351, contact departure 133.0.
Departure 330, Delta 2351. Departure Delta 2351, 3000, heading north.
2351 Boston approach, maintain 3000, turn right heading 100.
Maintain 3000, right turn heading 100, Delta 2351.